Good morning, friends. Welcome into my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Happy 1st of November, by the way. Yes, it is the 1st of November, and we have a storm rolling in here into our part of California. So the temperatures are going to be cooler the next few days. We're supposed to get snow in the mountains and possibly even some rain here in the valley. So that would be wonderful. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so if you like what you see here today. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. That helps my channel a lot, and it lets YouTube know that people are interacting with my content, so they're more likely to recommend it. It doesn't cost you a dime. All you got to do is hit that thumbs up and ring that little notification bell so that you don't miss another upload. I have a couple of Etsy shares for you today. Couple new Etsy shops that I've never ordered kits, downloadable digital kits for before, but these are going to be the 2 Christmas journals I'm going to be making this season thus far, unless I decide to do more. That can always happen. All right, without further ado, if you want to see what I've got to show you, stick around. We'll get started. All right, so this one is from Ginger Journals on Etsy, and it is Enchanted Woodland Christmas is the name of this kit. I thought it was absolutely adorable. I don't know. I just think it's cute. Okay, so let's get started with this one. The first pages I'm going to show you are the pages, and then I'll show you the ephemera. So the pages are printed and backed with printer paper. Okay. Another page. I think this is going to make a really pretty journal. I love this page. R. Schwartz's Toy Emporium. Cute. Cute paper on the back. Look at that stag. Isn't that gorgeous? You guys, if you don't know me by now, this is right up my alley. I'm a mountain girl, so anything woodland is with trees, mountains, pine trees, woodland animals. That's my jam. Okay, so here are some kits. This is all printed on cardstock. I can't tell you the pound of the cardstock. I'm sorry. These are some smaller tags. They're lovely. And I don't back these, of course. And some more tags, small tags, and some little tag journal card type things, and a couple more journal cards. Very pretty. Some belly bands, and maybe you could make a little pocket on the belly band, or you could use them for bookmarks. You could put bookmarks in your journal too, whatever you wanted. Thought these colors were very pretty and Christmassy. Some more ephemera to cut out and decorate with, a couple of pockets, some ephemera for the pockets. Those could be belly bands as well, a little thinner, but they could be. I loved this page. Aren't those adorable? I just thought those were so cute. Some little tag thingies here, and then just a big pocket. All right, so that is Etsy share number 1. That is Ginger Journals, and it's on Etsy. So go on over, take a look at her shop. She's got some really pretty kits, and I will put the link to her Etsy store below. And if I can find out, some of these I don't know if they have channels or not, but if they have a YouTube channel, I'll definitely link that as well. All right, and then kit number 2 is, oh man, I bent it on accident. That's okay. It'll be fine. So this is from Carolyns. I don't know if it's Musings or Musings on Etsy, and it's Winter Wonderland Forest. Can you see a theme here? All right. When I put it aside, I sort of bent the page a little, so little crease there, but I think it'll go away. So again, starting with the pages, and I've already backed them. So these are the journal pages. Yeah, cute. Look at a little fox, a bird. I just love that. Writing pages, backed. A little owl. Isn't he cute? Flying. Just a cute little background page. Little deer. Another pretty little background page. This is cute. Winter forest. Is this the one that didn't? Yeah. And then that's backed with, look at that cute little holly and stuff. And then this one, I don't know what happened in my printer, but I just kept it in with everything anyway, but it didn't, either ran out of pages or something. But anyway, we'll do something on the other side. We'll use it. We're not going to let it go to waste. I love this one. Sometimes I'll use these on my covers, but I'm just not sure. Oh, the other side. This is my favorite. That is going to probably go in the middle of this journal. I'm pretty sure that's going in the middle. And then this is the ephemera. So here we have a pocket, some tickets, some more pockets. Cute, isn't it? There's those horses again. Just love this. Reminds me of my childhood growing up in the snow. Postcards, some side tucks. Those are super cute. Love those. Some tags and some little whale tails. Super cute tags. And some fussy cutting. Those adorable. And then one big pocket here. And then another pocket and a little tag. So guys, that is it for today. That's my Etsy share. Go over and check out Carolyns Musings on Etsy. This is the Winter Wonderland Forest, and Ginger Journals on Etsy. And this is the Enchanted Woodland Christmas. All right, you guys, thanks for joining me on this quick video today. I hope you all have a wonderful start to your November, and I will see you back here very soon. All right, guys, thanks for hanging with me. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.